Hello everyone to this wonderful tutorial on how to submit your proposals on Devfolio. I hope you're having a great time exploring our projects for Winter of Code 4.0, and without further ado, let's get started. To submit your proposals on Devfolio, you will have to first reach the Devfolio homepage, which could be reached by hitting devfolio.co, and after that navigate to our hackathon section and then click on Winter of Code 4.0, which will take you to a page that looks like this. Now, you need these three green ticks to start submitting or at least writing your proposals on this platform. And since Devfolio requires you to have teams, that's how this platform is built, and WC is a solo event, you need to make a single member team. Now, what should be the name of your team? We suggest that it should be your own name, but you could always use in your creativity. And that having said, you will also need to do RSVP. In case you miss the RSVP, don't panic. It's alright, just ping us around on Discord and we will respond, or you could just write a mail to us, that's fine as well. Regarding check-ins, we check in folks every day at 10 p.m. so it's alright. We will be having you checked in by 10 p.m. every day. And that having said, after these three green ticks are available, you could start working on your proposal. There would be a button that says start your proposal or start your project, and you could just hit it and it will take you to a screen that looks something like this. Now it will ask you for a project name. You could just put in WC proposal here, and in the tagline you will have to mention the project's name that is associated with the proposal. And by the way, we will be entertaining only three proposals, at most three proposals. You could submit one proposal or two proposals or three proposals, but that's it, nothing more than that. At most three of them. So in the tagline you just mention the projects that are associated to your proposals, and in the problem it solves section you just mention the problem statement of each proposal, and in the challenges I ran into section, you just honestly mention the challenges that you ran into while submitting this or exploring this project. And in the technologies used section, you just provide the tech stack that was required. And this is the most important part of your entire proposal submission. So for every proposal that you submit, you need to provide the proposal's link. Now this proposal's link has to be a Google Doc, and it has to be viewable for everyone so that we can review it. If we open it and see that it's not viewable to us, we need to request access to it. That makes it difficult for us to review submissions, and that would lead to immediate disqualification for that proposal at least. That having said, we would also require your GitHub username, and here's the proposal template that we have also talked about in the opening ceremony. I hope you remember this. I have seen a few folks question that what would they do if they don't find any organization logo. If you don't find any organization logo, or if you don't want to put up an organization logo, that's fine. You could just put in the organization or the project's name here and you're good to go. That having said, all the other fields in this form aren't relevant and you could just skip them over. After you're done carefully filling your proposal form, all you need to do is go down to the bottom of this page and save it as a draft so that it gets saved. So once you're done filling in your proposal and you feel like you're ready, you could just preview your proposal by hitting this review and submit button, and it will show you how your proposal will look to others. And after that, you may publish your project or proposal. Now keep in mind that you can still edit this proposal even after publishing it, so it's always safer to publish the project earlier so that you can still keep on editing it and you don't miss the deadline. That having said, you have to finish this work by 12th of January, and that is the end of the proposal writing phase, after which the mentors are going to evaluate your submitted proposals. All the best folks for the proposal writing phase of this amazing open source journey with us.